Hello, good morning guys. For today's video, it's Monday and Ati, yes, Ati is going to school and I don't know what she really feels today that she said she will going to school, and I'm super happy and of course really wanted to support her all the way. So there she is. So, pinili kong dito palagi dumaan kasi mas malapit ito sa nadaanan sa school niya. So, mamaya dadaanan namin yung ginagawang gym dito malapit sa kanilang school. Ayan, may bubong. May bubong. Anyway, it's keep moving. Say hi. Ang aga-aga pero ang lakas ng init. It's so hot.